Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your ride history and receipts in the Uber app. It's super easy, so let's get started. First, open the Uber app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. If you're in any other section, just switch to Activity to continue. Now, you'll see a list of all your past Uber activities. If you also use Uber Eats or other Uber services, you might see everything mixed together. To focus only on your rides, tap on the Filter option. Here, choose Rides instead of All to see just your Uber trips. You can also filter further by selecting between personal, business, or family trips if needed. Once you've set the filters, tap Apply. Now you'll see a full list of your Uber rides. Just tap on any trip to view the details, including the date, time, route, fare, and even the receipt. And that's it. That's how you check your Uber ride history and receipts easily. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.